So, what are you using for AC or heat in your camper? Because no matter where you go, it can always feel like home with the right adventure tech. Actually, whether you're home, working outside, or in an RV, van, motorhome, today's sponsor EcoFlow has you covered pretty well with the Wave 2. It seems to be the fastest cooling and heating portable unit all-in-one you can get. Using heat pump technology, it is extremely efficient. If you're in a hurry, you can use the link in the comments or description, get a good deal on the Wave 2, free car vent kit, and help put a little food in my fridge at the same time, which I do appreciate. There's a deal going on from June 1st to June 24th with limited deals during the Now or Never sale. Check this out, the prices are insanely low. You can even get the alternator charger for only $5.99, the lowest price I've seen it. So take advantage while supplies last. Welcome to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I got over 10 years of experience and logged thousands of miles on the road inspecting power plants and other industrial environmental operations. I'll do my best to use my experience to help you out while making your purchases and help you learn about the newest adventure tech. So I received the Wave 2 standalone unit from EcoFlow in exchange for doing this video review for them. In the first of two videos, I'll unbox and show you exactly how this will arrive and how to set it up quickly. Also, I'll run some thermal readings with the thermal camera to see how well this does for both heating and cooling. Our second video for the Wave 2 will be on Adventure Tech 2.0 YouTube channel. We're doing a full camper trailer overhaul from top to bottom with the latest tech. We even got massive 560 watt bifacial solar panels. This should give you an idea of what to expect. So, EcoFlow offers clean, quiet, and easy to use powerful devices for 99% of all situations off-grid and on the road. Traditional tech often has a very high energy consumption and doesn't fit into off-grid situations very well. Even some of the newer portable tech hasn't delivered a sensible solution for certain things like cooling. Often heating and cooling requires two separate appliances. This takes up larger space and higher energy consumption. EcoFlow offers a solution to this with the Wave 2. Using heat pump technology, they created the world's first portable AC that has been made available to the public that can both heat and cool. In controlled testing, the Wave 2 could decrease temp by 18 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 minutes in cooling mode, and increase the heat by 18 degrees in 5 minutes in heating mode. That's 5100 BTU of cooling, 6100 BTU of heating using only 550 watts in cooling mode, 600 watts in heating mode. There isn't really anything else out there at the moment that seems to come close to those testing results. EcoFlow has been giving away free car vent kits with this too, which helps you get that perfect seal and for best results when using the Wave 2 in a vehicle. I've tried using some other ACs in the past, but with higher power consumption, you need a bigger inverter. Here's the main problem with that. Larger inverters actually use a lot of power to run, so having a larger inverter means you need more battery power. It's not about making things bigger, it's about being more efficient. So with the Wave 2, there's basically no installation cost. The setup is extremely easy. A few tips to help this run nicely though: if you have a unit inside your area that you're heating or cooling, make sure the vent hoses are straight and short as possible. This will help the unit run more efficiently and also reduce excess heat and cold radiating from the Wave 2 or vent hoses. While the unit is pushing air, the easier you can make it, the better it will run more efficiently. Make sure the vent hoses are not partially blocked as well. You can see from the thermal readings that the unit gets quite cold or warm where the air blows out towards you, while the vent hoses either push out warm air or very cool air. Price of this has been extremely low recently, so take advantage of the sales while they last. You can use the link in the comments or description to get a good deal on this, and any commissions from sales go directly to the My Refrigerator Foundation, which I do appreciate very much. In the next video, we'll get more in depth with the app. We'll show you how we're going to incorporate the Wave 2 into our trailer camper overhaul for heating and cooling, talk about the attached battery and the alternator charger, plus a bunch more. Thank you for watching. Leave your questions in the comments. I will reach directly out to EcoFlow to get the best answers for you.